Hello and welcome to our video on how to apply for a dependent visa for the United States. If you are planning to join your spouse or parent who is currently living in the US, a dependent visa is what you need to apply for. In this video, we will guide you through the process of applying for a dependent visa and provide you with some useful tips to help make your application a success. The first step in applying for a dependent visa is to determine which type of visa you need. There are two main types of dependent visas for the US, the K visa for spouses of US citizens and the IR visa for spouses of permanent residents. If you are under 21 years old and unmarried, you may also be eligible for a K2 or IR2 visa as a dependent child. Once you have determined which type of visa you need, you will need to submit an application to the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, U.S. The application will require you to provide personal information, proof of your relationship to the U.S. citizen or permanent resident, and evidence that you will not become a public charge in the U.S. You will also need to undergo a medical examination and obtain a police clearance certificate from the country or countries you have lived in for more than 6 months since the age of 16. It is important to note that the application process can take several months to complete, so it is recommended that you apply as early as possible. In addition to the application, you will also need to attend an interview at the U.S. Embassy or consulate in your home country. The purpose of the interview is to verify your identity, confirm your relationship with the U.S. citizen or permanent resident, and assess your eligibility for the visa. To increase your chances of success, it is important to prepare thoroughly for the interview. This may involve gathering all necessary documents, practicing your responses to potential interview questions, and ensuring that you are dressed appropriately. In conclusion, applying for a dependent visa for the US can be a complex and lengthy process. But with the right preparation and guidance, it is possible to successfully obtain a visa and join your loved ones in the US. If you have any questions or need further assistance with your application, please do not hesitate to contact us at info@11cconsultancy.com. Thank you for watching.